Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a common issue Mac users face with AnyDesk: missing screen capture permissions. Let's dive into 2 simple ways to fix this. Method 1. Check captured permissions. On your desktop, click on the Apple icon and select System Preferences. Next, go to Security and Privacy. In the Privacy tab, scroll down and select Screen Recording from the left-hand menu. Make sure that AnyDesk is checked. If it's not, click the lock icon at the bottom left to make changes. Enter your password, and then check the box next to AnyDesk. Once you've done that, restart AnyDesk and see if the issue is resolved. If not, let's move on to the second method. First, let's uninstall AnyDesk. Open Finder, go to Applications, locate AnyDesk, and drag it to the trash. Next, visit the AnyDesk website and download the latest version of the software. Install AnyDesk by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, repeat the steps from Method 1 to grant screen recording permissions. Reinstalling can refresh the permission settings, allowing AnyDesk to request the necessary access again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.